So the gooseneck conveyor with the aluminum belt is one of the most common used conveyors in the plastic injection industry. In this case, the conveyor is used for transporting plastic parts from the optical industry, and the robotic arm will pick up the completed plastic items from the injection process and place them onto the flat conveyor belt at the front end, and the items will be transported downwards. And to prevent the dust from falling onto the transported items, we have installed the M-shaped acrylic covers above the incline section as the barrier. Additionally, an aluminum extrusion frame is installed besides the cover, and its purpose is to allow the body to open smoothly at the 90-degree angle without being damaged by collisions, making it more convenient for personnel to review and retrieve the materials. So, if you have any conveyor needs, please don't hesitate to contact us.